Hey everyone, welcome to one of the most beautiful and charming towns in the heart of Bavaria, Germany, Garmisch-Partenkirchen. This gorgeous town is just a 1 hour drive from Munich. Whether you are here for incredible mountain views, winter sport, or just to soak in the magical alpine atmosphere, this place has something for everyone. Let's take a quick look around. We reached Garmisch-Partenkirchen a day before and stayed overnight. A picture perfect alpine town. It's a blend of traditional Bavarian charm and stunning natural beauty, making it an ideal base for winter adventures. Next day, we off to Zugspitze. There are two ways to go there. First is to take a cobble train from Garmisch to Zugspitze Plateau. And second, you can take a car, bus or train from Garmisch to Ibzi and then take a cable car. We catch the cobble train from Garmisch to Zugspitze Plateau. You can book the ticket from this website. The ticket costs you 66 euros per person. You can find the website and more details in the description box. The cobble train is an experience in itself, winding through dark tunnel for 4.5 kilometers. In total, 75 minutes journey is the perfect run-up to reaching the top. The best part? The train rides feel like a winter fairy tales. Make sure to grab a window seat for those incredible views. We reached to Zugspitze Plateau, the crown jewel of Germany's Alps and the highest point in the Germany. As we come out at Zugspitze Plateau, we saw that all the activities were closed due to the bad weather. Even cable car timing was not frequent. So we went to eat something. There is a nice restaurant at Zugspitze Plateau. They don't have much vegetarian option, so we eat weird combination. Even the catering guy was surprised to hear about our order. We literally ordered one big boiled potato, pasta sauce and fries. After lunch, the weather was better, so few activities were open. The air is crisp, the snow is perfect, and the views absolutely breathtaking. We rented toboggan and enjoyed it for almost 1 to 2 hours. It was really fun. The rent for one toboggan is around 20 euro. We got hit by this cute couple. Like us, they are doing this for the first time, but this is totally fun. The moment like this that make you realize how incredible nature is. If you visit Zugspitze, don't rush. Take your time to soak it all in. From Zugspitze Plateau, you can go to Zugspitze Summit by cable car. We decide not to visit Zugspitze Summit because of bad weather and enjoy our time at Zugspitze Plateau. Also, if you are going at Zugspitze Plateau, check the cable car schedule. In winter, the last cable car return time from Summit to Plateau is around 4:25 pm. For return, we catch the same cogwheel train and off to Ibsi, one of the most beautiful lake in Bavaria. The trail around Ibsi is around 7.5 km and take around 2 to 3 hours to complete. It's an easy hike with stunning views at every turn. Whether the lake is frozen or simmering under the winter sun, it's pure magic. From here, we return back to Garmisch. What a magical day at Zugspitze. From the beautiful tales to the stunning views, this place is an absolute must visit, especially in winter. After an unforgettable day on a mountain, we are back in Garmisch to end our adventure at the Christmas market. There is nothing quite like the festival spirit here during winter. Christmas market are a big part of German winter traditions. Here you will find everything from handcrafted ornaments to delicious snacks like roasted chestnuts and gingerbread. No Christmas experience is complete without including in some festival treats. Raclette is a must try, simply delicious. What an incredible day! From the snowy peaks of Zugspitze to the festival charms of Garmisch Christmas market, Bavaria truly knows how to do winter right. If you are planning your own magical getaway, make sure to add this to your list. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more adventures. See you on our next day at Garmisch. Until then, happy travels.